welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to the baby's fam, to my baby's hair. Was good. Hope you guys are doing great. You'll know the drill. Wasting anyone's time. It's definitely not on brand, so let's get right into this vlog.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me that. Biggie man, wait to be what's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The captain, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depends. The captain, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do my way. Plenty survive with face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl ride the whip, I know feet. Different things then happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a should not be head of state. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
So this is just going to be a vlog of what I regularly do when I'm at home, because I'm mostly at home now. So yeah, also the days are not like today, tomorrow, the next day, you know, it's not consistently the actual days, but I'm going to put this vlog together. It's going to be a weekly vlog. So yeah, today's another day. And they're always cutting grass in my complex, you'll know. If you're a regular, you know. So yeah, yesterday squeaky clean came to wash my couch. It looks very much clean. I'm gonna show you guys. And then what happened? I don't remember the last time I saw you guys. Ooh. And then I made amagwinya last night for supper, for dinner, with mince. I'm not sure if I showed you guys the process, but I'm gonna insert clips there. And then yeah, it's the next morning now and I'm about to make breakfast. I'm gonna make porridge for breakfast. Yeah, but I'll loop you guys in on whatever we're going to do. I'm feeling a little bit distracted because I'm just all over the place. But anyway, yeah, I'll catch you guys later. So I got this candle from a lady that came to deliver a package, and I don't want to lie, it smells amazing. I don't know this brand, but yeah, I'll actually ask her where can you guys get it, but it really smells great. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys, I was shooting a video for my Instagram. I was shooting a skincare video. Please go check it out on my Instagram page. I haven't done that in a while. And also I was doing that for winter, whatever, like, you know, when you're starting to enter winter, what you need to do, prepping your skin for the season, because my skin does peel when it's seasonal. Like in autumn I do peel out, when it's winter I do peel out. Only when it's summer I actually don't. But yeah, I actually did like a whole full skincare video and then I posted it on my Instagram. Please go check it out. I'll show you guys the clip right here. And yeah, what else? There's so much content that I still have to shoot for brands, so I'm super excited for that. I have an announcement to make for you guys, but it will be on another vlog because I'm still waiting for something to arrive, and then yeah. But things are going great, things are good, God is working, life is just, going to be amazing. So yeah, we might be going on a trip soon. But yeah, catch you guys later. Let's go make porridge.
And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Today is another day. I actually don't remember the last time I don't remember the last time I spoke to you guys in this vlog, but today is another day and it is the evening, so I decided let me actually do my night routine simply because I didn't do anything today. So yeah, I don't think I vlogged yesterday, but yesterday I went out. Yeah, I don't think I vlogged. The last time you guys saw me was it before yesterday, I think. Oh my god, I'm trying to remember. Okay, this week has been so busy and so hectic. So I'm gonna show you guys my nighttime routine. My nighttime routine and my day routine is actually the same. The only time it changes is when I'm using like serums, and then I obviously use night serums and day serums like the way that I'm supposed to. But yeah, it's not even the night, it is 1 a.m. in the morning, simply because I was sleeping, and I know I'm not the only one who gets those days where and then you realize that it's 12 p.m. Sorry, it's 12 a.m. in the morning and you didn't do anything on the day. So yeah, it's 1 a.m. and I'm about to take a shower because I didn't shower. This means I didn't shower yesterday. It really means that I didn't shower yesterday because today is another day. But anyway, we're gonna take a shower, then we're gonna go back to bed because I did make myself some eggs for dinner. That was around about 10, and then I was on the phone with my mom until I was on the phone with Bushe until 10. Yes, then I was on the phone with my aunt until 11. Then I was on the phone with my mom until 12. Yeah, so now I decided let me actually get a shower because I can't sleep and also I'm freezing, so I think it's gonna help me. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I use, but I basically use the same thing, but you guys are gonna see. I'm so sleepy. So let's get to the first one, which is brushing my teeth. Enjoy. God. Also, if you're wondering why I have this, it's because I cut my hair again. The last time you guys saw me was when I was cutting my hair. It's not the first time that I'm doing this hairstyle. It's not the first time that I'm cutting my hair. I just felt like I missed it. And you know what? We'll grow my hair again. We're gonna go through that process once again and grow it. It's been a year since I've been growing my hair and it was quite long and lengthy, but I realized that I just need another break, another change, you know? So yeah, the reason I have this thing on is because this is big on me now. So I'm trying to keep it, yeah, well, on my head so that my curls don't go away, because when you sleep with something silky, your moisture and your curls don't go away. But I'm going to show you guys how my hair looks like. I'm sure the curls are like dying now because it's been more than 4 days, I guess. So yeah, let's brush my teeth, shower, and then I'll show you guys, and then we'll have a chat of how I feel about everything. Oh my god. Yeah, let's brush my teeth.
This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I understand, say your dad know like me. See me, I want make you know, say me there for you, cara. And if not, you price me that, I like those.
Welcome back once again. So I'm done showering and I wanted to show you guys my hair. The curls are gone, but this is how it looks like. The usual, as per usual. Also, I wanted to take you guys through my skincare routine. Very, very simple and very easy. I didn't tone, I'm so sorry, I'm looking down because I'm fetching things. I didn't tone, I didn't do all of those other things. I just kept it very simple. So I use these two for my face. This is the moisturizer and this is the sunscreen. I do put sunscreen morning and evening. I don't hesitate on that one. And then for my body, because it is cold, I used the Vaseline also because this thing is not really like moisturized. It doesn't give you moist. So I had to, until I get something that's really gonna give me moisture, then I'll stop mixing up my body lotion. But I'm mixing them up now because this girl for dry skin is not really it. It's gentle, it's smooth, it's doing all the things, but it is not, it needs more, you know, something. But yeah, I did decide to cut my hair because I really just wanted to, and I really just missed my short hair. There's really nothing special happening. There's really nothing amazing that I'm cutting my hair for. It's really just for me. So now I'm just gonna go get dressed. Yeah, with pajamas, and then we're gonna go to bed. There's really nothing much. I will catch you guys tomorrow morning because I'm not planning to do anything, but I think I might do something. I'm not sure if you guys are getting me because it's been in my head. Oba, what must I do tomorrow? It's either I do it on Monday or I do it tomorrow. Yeah, but we definitely will do something. So I'll catch you guys. Ngomso. Let me just clear up, get some clean socks. To be like, yeah, I sleep with socks on, guys. I do. Get bad. Okay, so yeah. Good night, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, and it is 3 p.m., which shows that we might not be doing anything. My boyfriend requested coffee, so we're making coffee and we're having pizza. And then I haven't showered, I haven't done anything. This is my life, guys. This is literally what I do every weekend. So yeah, let's go have or make that coffee and plate the pizza. And yeah, that's what we're about to do. We're about to indulge. And then I'm gonna shower. And what else? I don't know. I might go somewhere though, but I'll take you guys with me if I'm going. But for now, staying in bed. It's freezing. It's so cold. It is so cold. Damn. Yeah, let's go make them coffee. Let's go.
I know they form say I too righteous. Don't come they form say you too like fun. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like boom. Steady clean like broccoli. Steady on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me. Could deny my fantasy. What they check if my daddy no wrong. But it they rush forever, it be much. Now go they make my time be the rush. Kind money we touch. Yeah, it they rush forever, it be much. We be hype, everybody be close. Go down, it You fool me jackpata, I dey go Ghana. You never thought you dey from back. Sell me, got me feeling I'm the one. I dey. I never take my cake away. I dey. You can't count my grace. I just dey my lane.
Hi guys. Mental breakdown in Nabana right now because of a cleaning lady. Guys, what do cleaning? If I can show you guys in the way I usually clean, like the books are not packed. She didn't dust the like left all of these things. And like I was so frustrated. Like I've been changing cleaners. I'm not too sure if maybe I have a lot of clothes or something is just overwhelming them in this house. It's a 1-bedroom, literally. Like it took her the whole day. She got here around about 7. It took her the whole day. But don't even need my bed. It's not made. Is into your. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm going to sleep because I'm not like, I don't even want to think about what's happening. But otherwise, the last time you guys saw me was when I went out on a solo date. And then what? Yeah, that's all. So basically guys, that's basically what happens during the week when I don't have literally anything to do besides work. I don't have anything interesting. I'm always at home, I'm cooking, or I'm just chilling, just figuring out life. But yeah, that's about it right now. Anyway, catch you guys later on another vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.